Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks Part 2. I didn't want to mislead the young man I was trying to help, and if we take it back, and I didn't realize this till I was making the color or the graphic for the icon for the YouTube video. There's still some white that it didn't remove, so I should have removed the white totally from the background. I didn't think about, if you remember, if you watched part 1, we were getting rid of those yellow dots. But once we're already here and you got a pretty good graphic, you can just, instead of find and replace, you can just click on these white areas and just hit the delete button. And I'm not even looking at the keyboard. I got my hand on the delete button and get rid of all this white, because the white was, and actually if you look, well, maybe I've deleted too much of them. There's little yellow dots inside there, but they're transparent. So just make sure you go through and get all the white like right there. You wouldn't even hardly see that. So when you're going to print that, it would have maybe printed that white. So that way you've gotten rid of it. A lot better looking graphic. And but what I should have done is, it'll make the video a little bit longer. If I, let me just delete this one. If I would have traced it, outline trace clip art like I normally do, but I wasn't thinking about the interior white. But you have to let it run through the process, and it takes a little bit of time because there's pretty much quite a bit of detail. But once it finishes the process, you can go right here to remove color, and you can actually see the white. The little checkered boxes are like no fill. So now they're all there. And then we can just move it over. And now you can see that there's no white. Now there's still those little yellow dots that we had to get rid of, but you can revert back to part 1, and I'll show you how to do that. That's pretty cool. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.